Alright guys, I'll be playing some I Am Cat. I'm gonna scratch her clothes. There we go. Now I'm gonna scratch her face. Granny's gonna look ugly. Scratch up the eyes, scratch up the nose. Then she's gonna be real grumpy. Happy. Oh man, and grumpy. Alright, time to run. Wah. Wah, 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 wah.
You're getting far from me.
Did I just hear her? My pants. My pants. Let me see that granny mouth. Granny mouth. That's a granny mouth. Give me those teeth. Wow. No, finally got the dentures. No dentures for you. Now I gotta run. Is that a laser pointer? No. Laser pointer. Why just laser pointer always in front of me? Wait, maybe I can give Granny some actual drip right now. Maybe I could give her drip. She don't need the classy drip. She need the new drip. She needs some new drip. She needs to learn the new ways of drip. The new drip is here. I don't know if Granny understands stuff. Oh, she must be mad I'm breaking vases.
Run here.
We gotta give her some new drip. Thank goodness that didn't break. That is so. Oh dang.
Выносил.
She mad. What? She mad.
Выносил.
She for sure very mad.
Выносил.
Alright, so if I just go up here, I bet she'll just be fine. She'll just forget about it. She's old, so she'll probably forget. What? Well, she gotta get that new drip. I could see that drip with my own eyes. Granny, you can have some good drip. Hey, Granny. Hold up. Come here, I gotta give you better drip than your classy drip. Well. Wow. Get those glasses. Yeah, Dwippy. She's Dwippy now. She got that Dwip. A little bit too much Dwip, but whatever. It's whatever. She can have if she wants. Oh dang. The Dwippy Granny? Nah, bro, that's a little bit too powerful. Yeah. The Dwippy Granny. It's more powerful than a lot of things.
Выносил.
Get out of this. Ew. Ew, take your dentures. Jeez. Take your teeth back. You know, I'm gonna search for. I've seen people in this game before. And yeah, there's new denture. I'm trying to get these new dentures. Better do this before, or it's too late. I got the dentures. Oh my god. Whoa. Chill. Alright, time to give her the. Oh, there we go. That's some Dwip. Dwippy. Take your dentures, Dwippy. Take your teeth back and keep them in. There we go. Now I just gotta run. She's even Dwippy Granny is even more powerful now.
Выносил.
Huh? What you doing?
Я прихожу for me.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a fish. I want a fishy. 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 Yes, a fishy. Bruh. Fishy, I'll overload your thing, so come here. Come here, Fishy. Good. boy. Dang. Here. It's a granny. My hand. Hello, Granny. I said look at me. Look at me. Wow. Oh. Hope she won't be mad. Touch that. Climb the balloons. The cat's. Wow. 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 Huh? No, this thing is garbage. Yeah. Box it. Box it. At least I can scratch your clothes. Hold on. She's gonna sit down. Missed Whippy Granny no more. Bruh, I give you drip and you just take it off? That's just crazy. You even put your old dentures. That's just disrespectful. Alright, bye guys. I'm done with this video.